What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Lazarus God Vapes here. Today we're vape reviewing Sour Rain. And this is Lazarus God Vapes with Vape Team. So yeah, we're gonna smell it for you. Smells like really good. It's a sour Skittle flavor. Smells exactly what it's supposed to smell like, but all that matters is it tastes. So just grease up the coils. Okay, let's get into it. Oh yeah, I gotta fix this. Alright, now let's try it. It tastes exactly what it's supposed to taste like, sour Skittles. It's a good flavor, don't get me wrong. It's hard, it's on the harsh side. It's a good flavor though. So if you like sour Skittles, this is the one for you. So yeah, like I said, it's harsh on the harsh side. So it's a good flavor, don't get me wrong. I like it. But yeah, so if I was to put this on a scale 1 to 10, or would I ever buy this again? I would if I was craving like sour Skittle flavored vape juice. Scale 1 to 10, it would be a 7. You could taste the flavor, the sourness. It's really good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna end it right now. Peace out. Actually, wait, I'm gonna give you 2 clouds. Peace.